Fungi, unlike plants, thrive in the darkness of the forest floor. They're hidden until they begin to develop the incredible structures with which they reproduce. Each releases millions of microscopic spores that drift invisibly away. Many have fruiting bodies that reach upwards to catch any feeble current there might be in the clammy air. But this one, as it grows, becomes luminous. Why fungi light up has remained a mystery. Until now. Scientists studying the brightest fungi in the world think they may have an answer. Like a beacon, the light attracts insects. From far and wide. To this click beetle, a bright light means only one thing: a female click beetle. So he flashes in reply.